Hi, here are tips and tricks for the camera of your Samsung Galaxy A16 5G. And firstly, there is no need to search for your camera app. Now you can just double-click your power button, which is located on the right side of your phone, and camera will be opened immediately by default, just like that. Now, you can use your volume down or volume up buttons to take a photo like this, or you can press and hold this volume down or volume up button to take burst shots. So let me just switch to 12 camera and now press volume up. And as you can see, I'm taking series of photos. We can take up to 30 photos with the help of this way. You can immediately check them, tap on this amount of photos and select needed items, and rest you can simply delete, or you can delete just the selected item, which is pretty awesome. Also, with the help of volume down and up buttons, you can zoom in or out. And to change action for the buttons, we will need to tap the settings icon on top and then scroll down, find shooting methods, and here go in press volume buttons too and switch to zoom in or out, or we can control sound volume. So now when we set zoom, we can press volume up button to zoom in and volume down to zoom out. You can see that zoom is really smooth here and everything is just detailed. This is really cool way how you can zoom in or out, especially during videos. The next thing we got here is of course timer, so you can tap here and choose one of those three options: 2 second, 5, 10 second timer. And after that, when you selected a timer, it should light up orange, and then when you press camera shutter button, the photo will be taken after time you have selected. In my case, it was 5 seconds. By the way, I want to show you really cool and decent feature we got here is you need to switch to the selfie camera first, and now you need to simply do a high five and do it like that, and the photo will be taken after 3 seconds. So let me do it one more time. As you can see, it detected my arm, and now photo was taken after 3 seconds, and I didn't even press the buttons to take a photo. I just used this high five gesture. Now let's talk about modes in camera. So when you're at the main camera, like in my case, you can enable 1x zoom, you can enable 2x zoom, and 0.5, which is perfect for groups, photos, and also you can enable macro mode if you go in more tab right here and select macro. So now you just need to hold your head camera 3 to 5 centimeters away from the subject and hit the camera shutter button to take a photo. Just like that. Make sure that you got a good lighting and that your hands are not shaky. So if they are shaky, you'll get result like I got. So everything is not so detailed, but it would be better if you do it on a flat surface and does not have shaky hands. Also, you can manually set focus if you tap anywhere on the screen like that. After that, this focus would be locked, and you can also change the exposure by dragging the slider left to make the picture darker, or right to just make it brighter like this. After that, you can tap again and reset the focus. And if you take a close look on the upper panel here, you should see 12 megapixel camera, but you can switch to 50 for better resolution, for high quality photos and more detailed photos. But in that case, make sure that you got good lighting conditions and simply hit the camera shutter button. And now let's check the photo. So yeah, this photo is really better than was before. So everything is really detailed. Just take a look. And I really like this one. And of course we can go in more tab. Here we can find slow motion. So you can record slow motion videos. Just hit this camera shutter button and record slow motion video. Now let's check the result. And yep, it didn't capture my plant, so let's try this out one more time. I guess this should work. And yep, perfect slow motion video. So after that, we can go in more tab again. Here we can find this pro mode, so you can use your phone like a pro camera. For example, you can change ISO, you can tap on auto and switch to manual adjustments. You can go in shutter speed and here also manually change those settings. You can set up to 10 like that. And of course, you can switch to auto option one more time. And this one you need to set manually, there is no auto option. So in focus you can choose either auto or manual, and you can adjust white balance by dragging the slider left or right according to your lighting conditions. And on the top you can see the circle icon, tap it and you'll be able to adjust contrast, highlights, shadows like this, saturation, and of course add some tint. And we got here this option for hyperlapse, which is like a time-lapse feature, so we can tap it. On the top we can choose time. We got unlimited and up to 300. So this is basically you can shoot for about like 5 minutes, but the result will be like in 2 minutes. So this is really speed up video. Let's try this out. I'm gonna just record the video. Here you should see the time of your actual video and the time of the result for hyperlapse feature. So let's just shake the camera and now let's save it and check the result. And here it is. So it's like a short GIF, I guess. And this is how you can use this mode. Here we got night mode, so you can shoot during night. We got food option as well, so you can drag the focus area to move it, which is really cool. And we got portrait mode, so we can blur our picture and leave in focus only the object. In my case it is the plant, so we just blurred background. And if you want to improve sound quality in your videos, you can enable Dolby Atmos, and for that you need to open settings, and after that just find your search bar and manually enter Dolby Atmos, and then you should see those two features, Dolby Atmos and Dolby Atmos for gaming. As you can see, this effect only works with headphones and Bluetooth headsets. So just connect your Bluetooth devices and experience these cool features for more immersive sound experience. And that's it for today. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.